Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best futons that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Maxyo Japanese Floor Mattress Futon Mattress, a budget-friendly option that offers versatility and portability without sacrificing comfort. Priced at just $89.99, this futon features a 4-inch thickness with a 3-layer design, a microfiber cover, polyester filling, and a high-density base support foam. The upgraded foam layer ensures the mattress doesn't collapse easily and provides decent support for sleeping and lounging. The design is lightweight at 13 pounds, making it easy to fold and roll up for storage or travel. It also comes with a dust-proof cover, storage bag, and straps, which are thoughtful additions for long-term durability. While this futon excels in versatility, you can use it as a floor mattress, a guest bed, or even in a tent. It's less suited for extended daily use due to its thinner profile compared to other models. Many users appreciate its practicality, but note that it takes 2 to 3 days to fully recover its thickness after unpacking. In summary, the Maxyo 4-inch floor mattress is perfect for those on a budget who need a lightweight and portable sleeping solution. Its pros include affordability, portability, and versatility, while its cons are its thinner design and reliance on recovery time after unpacking. Coming in at number 4 is the YoYo Folding Sofa Bed, a convertible sleeper chair that combines a stylish design with practicality. At $124.99, this single-size futon doubles as a compact sofa during the day and a comfortable bed at night. Its shredded foam filling molds to your body for personalized support, while the included headrest and lumbar pillow enhance ergonomic comfort, ideal for extended use when reading, gaming, or napping. The corded fabric is both durable and visually appealing, making it a standout piece in smaller living rooms. At number 3, we have the Maxyo 6-inch futon mattress full size, a versatile and stylish option designed for comfort and durability. Priced at $124.99, this futon features a thick 6-inch design filled with high-density shredded foam, providing excellent support for sleeping and lounging. The tufted design prevents the filling from shifting, ensuring long-term performance, while the twisted rope edging adds a touch of elegance. The beige corded fabric cover is both durable and aesthetically pleasing, which makes this futon a great addition to any living space. Measuring 54 inches wide by 80 inches long, it's full-sized and suitable for use on futon frames or directly on the floor. However, users should note that the frame is not included and the mattress requires 48 hours to expand after unpacking. Some users mention that, while comfortable, it may feel firmer than expected. This futon is perfect for those seeking a balance between style, comfort, and affordability. Its pros include its durable construction, elegant design, and mid-range price point, while its cons are a slightly firmer feel and the need for a recovery period post-shipping. At number 2, we have the Sidle 8-inch futon mattress full size, a premium product designed for maximum comfort and durability. Priced at $199.99, this futon features an impressive 8-inch thickness filled with high-quality shredded sponge. The soft foam provides a plush feel for relaxation, while the fern sponge ensures the mattress retains its shape even during prolonged use. The corduroy cover adds a soft, luxurious texture. This futon excels in versatility, offering multiple use cases as a floor mattress, guest bed, or even a yoga mat. Its foldable design makes storage easy, and the included straps help secure it when not in use. However, at 30.7 pounds, it's not the most portable option. Users appreciate its solid build quality and resilience, though some report that it feels slightly heavier than expected and requires 48 hours to fully expand after unpacking. In summary, The Sidle 2 8-inch futon mattress is an excellent choice for those willing to invest in comfort and durability. Its pros include a premium build, exceptional thickness, and wide versatility, while its cons are its weight and higher price point. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the Maxio 8-inch futon mattress full-size, a premium option that balances luxurious comfort with a competitive price point of $179.99. This futon features an ultra-thick 8-inch design filled with high-density shredded foam, offering exceptional cushioning and support for both sleeping and lounging. The hand-tufted design ensures the filling stays in place, while the twisted rope edging adds durability and a touch of sophistication. The black cotton cover is sleek and durable, making this futon a stylish addition to any room. Measuring 80 inches long by 54 inches wide, it's a full-sized option that works well on futon frames or directly on the floor. Like other Maxyo futons, it ships in vacuum compression and requires 48 hours to fully expand. Users rave about its plush comfort and sturdy construction, though its weight of 48.5 pounds makes it less portable. If you're looking for a high-quality futon that delivers premium comfort without breaking the bank, the Maxyo 8-inch futon mattress is the clear winner. Its pros include thick cushioning, durable design, and reasonable pricing, while its cons are its heavier weight and recovery time after unpacking. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.